is Pittsboro, and Pittsboro is all about its artists. And here we are with Diane Swan in her incredible studio, where you had to be here early because almost all the pieces sold out last weekend during the studio tour. But we're here in a little special private event. And this is Diane to tell us a little bit about what she does.
Hi. So this is one of the recent pieces I've done, and this is an epoxy board, and I have 6 different colors of epoxy. And then this is a wood that's called leopard wood, and if you look at it closely, it's got spots on it. It's also sometimes called lace wood. And this one is called canary wood, which is also a pretty interesting wood to play with. And because of the way they were, I decided to change them into a phoenix and a dragon.
It's amazing, and I see you use wormy maple and cherry and walnut and all kinds of amazing different wood in your pieces, which are really reasonably priced for the amount of work that goes into them. They're absolutely beautiful. So come on by. She does custom work and is getting ready to ship out a few of these pieces. Diane Swan. You can find her online. Do you have a website? Or
Yeah, it's
okay.
www.dieswanwoodgal@gmail.com. That's my email. And my website is www.dieswanwoodgal.com.
Excellent. Thanks, Diane.